in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find the LCD of a rational expression, part 2. So make sure you have already watched part 1, where I worked out the first 2 examples. All right, like we said in the first video, our goal is to make sure our denominators look the same. Looking at example 3, in one of the denominators we have 7, the other one has an x. They do not look the same. Now, sometimes you can multiply both denominators by something so that they can equal the same. So in this first denominator, I'm going to multiply it times x. Whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to the numerator. And then the second denominator, I'm going to multiply that one times 7. Whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. So now it's going to look like 7x in both of your denominators, which is our goal, to make them look the same. But your numerators are going to change. The first one's going to be 6x squared, because I did 6x times x, and 35, because I did 7 times 5. So my LCD is 7x. All right, look at this next example. I have an x minus 5, and I have an x plus 7. Nothing is in common, and they don't even look the same. So in cases like this, multiply them times each other. Ooh, what do I mean by that? I'm going to multiply that x minus 5 times x plus 7. Whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. And I'm also going to multiply the x plus 7 over here times x minus 5. Whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. So my LCD, and it doesn't matter which order you write it in. It could be x minus 5 times x plus 7 or x plus 7 times x minus 5. Either way, it's the same. And of course, in your numerators, you know you're going to distribute, but the focus of this video is to how to find LCD, so I'm not going to go through that business. All right, last example. As you can see, this first denominator over here can be factored using GCF. The GCF will be 3x. So when I take out a 3x, basically I'm dividing each one by 3x. I'm going to get x, and negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. And bring everything else down. Again, our goal is to find the least common denominator. So between the two denominators, they almost look alike, but what's missing over here on the right side is this 3x. So I'm going to multiply this times 3x. Whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. So my new fractions, of course, my LCD is going to be 3x times x minus 3. And that's it.